Are you going to take the drink bottle as well? That was fun. And we filled this up
only
with...
if we had some filtered water. Hey mate. I'm friendly as. Beautiful river around here.
They'll come back. Yeah, you come and stay there. There we go. Wow, look at them all. Holy shit. That's a lot. Hiking in flip-flops.
I'm wearing 6 socks.
Action.
Action, yeah.
I am a hobbit.
I'm a hobbit.
And I live in the forest.
Hagrid!
We've got a family up ahead, so I'm not gonna like
Oh,
this
it's
one.
okay.
Oh, look, there's some people go up there.
Beautiful sceneries here. Just majestic. Looks like a good hill climb. Where's the dirt bikes when you need them?
No, the BMXs. Honestly, how fucking cool would that be? Oh, so much
That's
fun.
a big tree.
Right, riding through here, look, there's mini trucks through there.
That's a big tree. There's big trees around. Oh my god. Big mountain behind there.
There's mini tracks through there, so people probably bring their BMXs out here.
Mini tracks and mini people on mini BMXs. This has got to be the most dream state location. Am I dreaming?
You tried to climb that, it would fall down. Look at that fucking glorious tree, has so much moss on it. All the way up there, look. Oh. You gonna find a 4-leaf clover? Tell me if you spot one. The stands on you.
Come to a gate and it opens up to that. And we're going somewhere up here. We're on top of the world, hey. We're on top of the world. We've been eating so much food. I feel so fucking good.
Over here. Oh, one just got on the head. Yeah, Rory, get up here. There's a swan in the lake. White one. Two, do you see him?
All over here.
There's one to your right as well.
So we're on top of the cave now.
Oh, and we saw jets earlier.
And two jets appeared out of nowhere, ripping through this valley and behind that hill. It was fucking amazing.
Cool. And yeah, you don't hear them till they're past you.
Yeah.
How's that? I'm on the top of the mountain.